Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Drain 2 5-ounce cans of tuna and flake the meat with a fork. Remove excess oil or water thoroughly so filling is not soggy. Mix tuna with 3 tablespoons mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice to balance creaminess and acid. Stir in 1/4 cup diced celery for crunch, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/8 teaspoon black pepper. Taste and adjust, adding up to 1 teaspoon more lemon juice or a pinch more salt if needed. Spread 1 tablespoon of butter on the outside of each bread slice so the sandwich crisps evenly when cooked and browns to a golden color. Use 4 slices of sturdy bread, divide the prepared tuna evenly between 2 sandwiches, and top each with 1 ounce, 1 slice of sharp cheddar cheese to melt. You can use Swiss or provolone versus cheddar if preferred for a milder flavor. Assemble closed sandwiches and press lightly so filling is compact and will heat through evenly. Bake at 375 degrees F for 10 to 12 minutes on a sheet pan until the cheese is bubbly and the bread is golden, flipping once halfway if you prefer even browning. Or cook in a skillet over medium heat, 3 to 4 minutes per side, pressing gently with a spatula to encourage melting and crisping. Cover the skillet for 1 minute if cheese needs help melting. Let sandwiches rest for 2 minutes before slicing to avoid runny filling. Then serve hot with pickles or a side salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.